Hi, name's Dave. I first heard about Wellness Center with a mailer that I received for one of the presentations at a local restaurant, and it was interesting that the mailer included a list of symptoms, many of which I've been complaining about, to no avail to all the MDs that treat me for various things. My wife took a look at the list and said, "My gosh, this sounds like my husband," so she saved it. And I went to the dinner, and the first thing that happened is there was a handout, and we were to fill it in. And I wrote in response to the question, "What do your MDs say about all this?" And I said, "They all universally said you have to live with it." Okay. And then the presentation began. Dr. Bruno said, "How many of you have been told by your MDs that you're just going to have to live with it?" And everybody raised their hand. And with that, I knew I was certainly in the right place. Okay, so we began treatment with the Scrambler, which I'm sure you either have heard about or will hear about. On the very first day, the pain in my legs was down about 90%, and my numb feet felt 50% better. This was remarkable. This was just in one day. Okay, and the itching and so on and so forth. Oh, by the way, I found out during the diagnostic phase that it had nothing to do with diabetes, exonerating the diabetic specialist, but it was the result of chemotherapy, thank you very much. And so that's why this was a very positive result. Well, I went through 3 weeks of treatment, and as indicated, the success rate of all of this is between 60 to 100%, and I'm at about the 90% level. And I am going to be continuing treatment to see if we can get better results down the line. But I must say I am so incredibly satisfied that I would do it over again in a moment. So there you go.